Hello folks, so today I will be playing Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. Now, sadly I won't be going into this blind as I've seen videos on it, but I always want to play games blind, but like, any cool games I find I've already played before, or at least heard of, so like, I just can't. Anyways, I have something in the
Once
works.
upon a time, where life was simple,
So, yeah.
trees fell left and right, and the bridge's boards fell loose constantly within Seabill's presence, lived Chipper and his son,
Look how
Tyke.
small his eyes are.
Chipper
That's
was
creepy.
proud of his wood-chopping offspring with the success of his company, Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. After the father tree was demolished by Tyke, the beavers lived in harmony in their happy cabin.
So
Along
that's
with
where
that,
tree guy's
Tyke had
from.
success on his last date with a fellow beaver named Lisa. So much success that they had started their own family after a year of bonding. Time seemed to go by fast as the beavers chopped and built. Tyke and Lisa eventually brought their own beaver into the world, Mike.
Yippee,
With this
that's
addition to the
us.
beaver family, Chipper was happy to have a new addition to the company soon enough.
Look at him.
But as Mike grew up, one day Chipper had gone missing. The remaining beavers quickly scrambled along the acres of land to find their missing beaver member and founder.
Oh, no!
After a few hours of searching, they had come to the conclusion that Chipper was gone. The family still had hope and did not plan to presume him as dead. Tyke, being the fatherly figure his father once was, took the company into his arms and rebranded the company as Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. The story now goes on in the hands of Tyke and Mike to redefine the business under the brightest light.
Well, little Mike, the day has come. I'm gonna give him like a weird like country voice. Well, little Mike, the day has come. How do I... Next, please. Next dialogue. What do I press? Oh. No, not the beginning of summer or your coming of age, but me throwing you on your furry ear. I pressed something. Do I just wait? I think I just wait.
Yep.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Okay. I'm just gonna start spamming buttons, I guess. I don't really know what to do here. Hello? Work? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, it's spacebar. That's what my father said to me when I was your age. Your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud of his grandson. Oh wait, no, that's still him. Yeah, your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud to be his grandson. How old is Mike supposed to be? It's pretty sad that you were never able to talk to him. He disappeared when you were really young. He's probably dead. No one knows where he went. Probably dead. Anyways, he's probably dead. So this is your company now. Now get to work. Okay. Look at them just go, okay. When do I get to do labor? Child labor. How old is Mike supposed to be? I'm assuming over 13. Probably like 16. Yes, let's say 16. Thus, you'll escape from this prison called home. I love this game already. Now, I haven't actually seen like a full playthrough on it. I've just seen like a quick summary of it. And if you can come right after me if you are kind enough. But remember, No one ever beats good old Chipper. He was truly the best. Now get lost! We will start as soon as... I love this game. I love this game. This is amazing. Actually, before you go, take this walkie-talkie. So I can always watch you. This world is dangerous. Especially when it comes to me. I am the danger in this world. I will murder if I have to. Don't get on my bad side, kid. I'm counting on you, beaver boy. Don't make me kill you. Anyways, your first task will be to plant some trees. Don't make me chop the tree on you to make it fall on you. Tyke is a very abusive father. That's my headcanon. If you want to re-listen to what I just said, well, too bad. I ain't telling you it again. Bad luck, son. See you soon. I love this music. Race object. Tree in the way. I have 0 fast coins. Listen, I get those are supposed to be beaver ears, but they're fast coins. Come on. Bro. No, I want you to grow more. Is this gonna work? Oh. So that's how you cut down trees, huh? That's the animation they chose? Now what? Over here. How much lumber do I have? Only one? So die, you little gremlin. Little rat. Scram. Oh. Listen, I think I would Also, as this is, I'm recording this on the same day Minecraft Live happened. A few days ago, I was just talking about how I feel kind of bad for ghasts, and now we get happy ghasts. I have everything. Where do I craft? Friends, I'm in crafting mode. I want to craft. I want two of them. Wait, does that mean two of the other chippers will come at night? Because I know that whatever video comes at night. Please tell me two of them won't come. Oh gosh, I made a mistake, didn't I? Yes, EP time. Waiter at night. Spooky. Spooky. I mean, it is like 10 at the time I'm recording this. So, yeah. I want to go this window. Is he at this window? No. He's not at either of the windows. How do I refill my battery? What if I go upstairs? Oh. There we go. I'm so scared. So I have to do that 8 more times? So he knocks when he's close. Okay. Okay, how about this? After each time I take care of him, I'll recharge my battery. So far he's only come to this window. Does he only go to this window? Do you have limited amount of batteries? I sure hope not. I'm already almost halfway through. This is fun. I like this. I guess I just wait here until he knocks. That was close. Oh, he's at the other window this time. That's a first. I think we have unlimited batteries. Huh. Why is he bald right there? Look, that beaver's ball. I'm sorry I'm being so quiet. This isn't gonna be a very cool video to watch. I see you. I'm going to beddy now. Sleepy time. Wake up! Okay, I'll do a bit of day 2, but I know that there's a boss in a bit, so I'll do the boss then I think I'm gonna wrap it up for now. I want the big tree. Bigger. 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 Yeah, this is the boss. Baba doobie dee boo, baba booba beep boo, baba, baba, angry robot. Whoa, robot. Do I have 5 health? Is that what they're... Yeah. Okay. For a second I thought that was his health. I was like, we have to hit him 5 times? That seems like a bit much. I'm assuming we only have to kill him 3 times. Classic boss rules. Or maybe he has a certain amount of health and depends on how much damage we do. This reminds me of the Mario Odyssey boss. The Mario Odyssey boss in the secret flower field. Oh. Well. I guess I'm not good at gaming. I think I'm gonna go for now. That's all, folks. See you next time, and stay monkey.